Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Esther, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down there and the notification bell to get instant notification whenever I upload new video. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing some information with you guys. In two of my videos I've mentioned that I stayed in Italy, and it's just as if some people just noticed I am living in Italy. Guys, I'm living in Italy. So today I'm going to be sharing this information on how you can renew your humanitarian documents easy way. So this is my document. How you can renew your humanitarian documents. Guys, so what you have to do is very simple. All you need to do is have a contract, like a working contract. You need to have a working contract, then a busta paga. So when you get to the questura, they will ask you for a busta paga of, if you are going in May, they will ask you for the busta paga of April. So you have to go there with it. Even if it's 1 month, they don't have problem. Even if it's 1 month contract, no problem, just go there with it. Then they will give you this appointment letter. So they'll give you appointment letter, and they will state everything you need to bring. So this is it. You can see those places that has a pen on it. So that is what they will ask you to bring. One, they will ask you to bring a bollettino pagato. So this bollettino pagato is what you will pay at the post pay. You go to the post office to pay it. They do write 30 euros 46 cents, but it's not really 30 euros 46 cents. People that are not working, that don't have contracts, that is the price for them. People that are working, if you are working, this is the paper they will ask you to go and pay. Or maybe they'll give something like this, So if you are working, you have to pay 70 euros. So you have to present that and mark out the bolo of 16 euros and 3 photographs. If you have kids, you present your children photograph, 2 photographs of all the children. Then your permesso di soggiorno, which is this one, your permesso di soggiorno photocopy and the original. Then decreto di commissione, like the decree, like what you said in your commission. They will ask you to bring the photocopy for them. Then your passport, international passport, the original and photocopy. Then they will ask for your residence, your house residence. It can be the house resident or hospitalita. Is the same thing, like almost the same thing. Like I think it's kind of different, but not that different, similar. So you ask for the original and the photocopy. So this is all the document they are going to ask you if you want to change it or renew it. If you have it, what you need to do is go there with all these documents, and they will renew a document for you and give you 1 year document, which is permesso di lavoro. But if you are not working, guys, it's not a good idea if you go there without contract. I'm going to explain my reasons why it's not good to go there without a contract. They give you 1 year document, permesso di lavoro. You have to renew every year, and you must be working. So, but if you are not working, you go there without contract or something, guys. Let me tell you what they are going to do. They will collect your document, but not so fast. Like a friend of mine was renewing his document for like 7-8 months now. His humanitarian document, and he called me 2 days ago, and he said he went to collect his document because he renewed it without a contract, because he don't base here. He based in Malta, so he worked there, and I don't know, I don't think they give them contract there in that Malta, or he can't use it in Italy. I don't really know. So He called me and he told me they gave him his documents because he has been renewing this document for 8 months now because he don't have a contract. The document really delayed, guys. So when he went to collect the documents, they gave him 1 year Kazi speciale. This document, when I went to renew my document, the police woman told me that if someone is not working, that they will collect your documents from you with style. Because if they give you Kazi speciale, you cannot change it to permesso di lavoro again. Like you are killing your documents slowly. And you cannot renew it. Once that 1 year expires, you have to go all over again. The document have to go back to commission. You will start again. So they will not decide if they will give you the documents or not. But in most cases, they will just collect the documents. So it's not advisable. Even if you want to go and renew without contract, it's not even advisable because it's not everybody they do give. Like this, my friend is even lucky because I have another friend of mine that it was not working at that moment. Though he was having old contract, they told him he can't use it because the contract was already 6 months gone. So they need something like a month or something like recent contract. So he was unable to present contract. So he renewed his document like that. But now, though he's working and he have contract, we don't have anything that he can do anymore because he already renewed the document. So they didn't give him again. How many months now? The document did not come out. So this, my friend too, is even lucky that they gave him 1 year. The only way he can change this 1 year document is either he gets married to someone and they give him family documents. And that person must be working. So I don't know, for women it's like very easy. If you get married, like your husband is working, they will give you family document, but your husband must be working every year so that if you are renewing your document, it will be easy for you. But for men, I don't really know if they get married to women, like if they get married to a woman and the woman have documents, except the person will marry white. So I don't really know about that. But for women, that was exactly what the policewoman told me then. This is what the policewoman told me at then. So guys, if you want to go and renew your document, you know this Haveni new law, like this, his decree is kind of strange and not really easy for us all. It's kind of hard if you are renewing your document without this contract. So what you have to do, if you know you don't have contracts, you can contact a lawyer. So that is another good idea. Contact a lawyer. A lawyer can help you with your case. Or let me spill one tea. If you know you are working and you don't have contract but you are collecting money, they know there's one work they call lavoro nero. So that lavoro nero, they don't give contract. So but you'll be earning from that work. So if you know that you can pay your tax yourself, I'll advise you to go for autonomous. If you use autonomous on your documents, they will renew it for you, but you have to be paying tax. So if you know you can do it, like you are capable of paying your tax by yourself, you can go to this commercialista to help you. So they will ask you for your hospitalita or your house residence. Then any documents or any papers that is required, the commercialista will present it for you. So then you will use it to go and renew your document. If you know you cannot pay the tax again, you're tired or the money is too much, or you've collected your document, you can cut it. So this is another way of renewing your document with contract. The only way is either autonomous or working contract. So guys, this is my information that I decided to share with you guys because some of my subscribers, my lovely subscribers, they just found out that I'm living in Italy. So I get these questions like almost every day. How to renew document, how to renew document. On my Instagram is I can't explain. So This is the reason why I did this video, to help a lot of you all out there. So I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell too. And please guys, share this video, share this information to your friends, your loved ones, your family, your enemy, everyone. Yeah, so guys, thank you all, and God bless you all for always supporting me. I love you all. Bye.